And the third problem, this is the last problem. A convex mirror with radius of curvature of 3 meters is used as rear view mirror for a vehicle. So always we'll use for vehicles as a rear view mirror is convex mirror. If a bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, find the position, nature and the size of the image. I said you now, when a problem is given, first you find out what type of mirror is given. Here in earlier two problems, concave mirror is given. Now in this problem, which mirror is given? Convex mirror. So immediately you draw the diagram for a convex mirror. Pole, focus, and this is the center of curvature. Already you learned in front of a convex mirror, when you place an object at any distance, you will get the image at the same position only, in between F and P only, and that image is always erect, diminished, and not erect, diminished, and this is erect only, because diverging rays are meeting. Coming to this, what are the values are given, we'll find out. Given a radius of curvature 3 meters. So radius of curvature means from P to C. This value is given how much? This is 3 meters. That value is 3 meters. So R is equals to 3 meters. Next, for a vehicle, if a bus is located at 5 meters, bus here you have to take it as an object. So in front of a convex mirror, a bus is located at a distance of 5. This you take it as bus. So from P to this object you take it as 5 meters. Object distance is given. U is equals to 5 meters. Find the position, nature and the size of the image. Now you must find out what is the V value and nature of the image. You must find out size also. Here F is not given. First we will find out what is F value. You know there is a relation between R and F. R is equals to 2F. So F is equals to R by 2. So from here F is equals to, we will take it as 3 by 2 meters. Now coming to the sign conventions. What are the signs we must take it? When an object is placed here, the incident ray touches the mirror like this, and you are measuring the distances from the pole. Coming to the object distance, incident ray is along like this direction, but you are measuring from pole to this direction. So U is negative. U is negative. Next, focal length value 3 by 2. See, incident ray is along this direction, and focal length also you must measure from the pole to the F, means this direction. Incident ray is like this direction, and the focal length also, both are in the same direction. If they are in the same direction, you must take it as positive. You must take it as positive. Clear it? Now substitute these values in the mirror formula. One by, what is mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Here what you must find out, what is V value. So you must find out 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Substitute the values. F is positive only. I did not take this value into the decimals because this is already in fractions now, so I took like this only. Here 1 by f. If f is equals to 3 by 2, then 1 by f means you reverse this one. Then it becomes 2 by 3. So simply 1 by f means you take it directly 2 by 3. Don't confuse. Minus 1 by u. U means how much? 5. Already minus is there, so minus 1 by 5 centimeters. Now 2 by 3 plus minus into minus, it becomes plus 1 by 5. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. So directly you simplify this. 2 by 3 into 5 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 3. 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Then it becomes 13 by 15. This is 1 by v value. This is 1 by v value. But you don't want 1 by v. You want only v value. So reverse this one. Then it becomes 15 by 13. 15 by 13. And there is no negative value. There is no negative. Image is positive. So 15 by 3, when you simplify, how many times? 1 time. 2. 0. Again 1 time. 7 times. 70 means 6 times. Sorry, 5 times 65. Like that you may get. So here V is equals to 1.15 centimeters. Sorry, meters. So you got it, the image. Image is positive. When you will get the image positive for a convex mirror, the incident ray direction and when you measure the distance from the pole to the focus, both are in the same direction. Then you will get a positive. So here positive means somewhere here you will get it. This radius is 3 and focal length is 1.5. 3 by 2 means 1.5 only. Now V is how much? 1.15. So in between focus and the principal axis, you may get the image. You may get the image, that is 1.15 something. Understood? Next, so about the image distance, finished. Now coming to the find the position. So position means in between F and P. Image formed in between F and P. Nature. What is the nature of that? So when you place an object in front of a convex mirror, always we used to get what type of image? What type of image? That is what is that? Virtual, erect images and diminished image. Virtual, erect and diminished images. And the size of the image, you must find that size is also small size you may get. Otherwise we will find out. Here it is. Okay children, thank you.